Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with Integral here, sharing another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about 4 apps that allow you to set up a private number for your smartphone. In this day and age, all of us have to deal with annoying robocalls, annoying telemarketing calls, and spam calls. Most of those are designed to steal your identity and get access to personal and financial information. We use our smartphones as a part of two-step authentication, meaning that when we set up our online accounts, we often use our smartphone number as a means to um, get that second verification so that we know if someone gets access to our online accounts. Well, fear not. You want to keep those smart numbers safe, but there's some apps out there that allow you to create a second number or even a third number for your smartphone. That way, you can utilize your smartphone and not have to worry about it falling in the wrong hands, meaning your smartphone number. This is great for families that want to create a quote unquote home phone. It's also great for small businesses that want to keep a business line but don't want to give up their smartphone and use it as their main business phone number. Let's switch screens here. We'll take a look at these apps and show how they can help you create a second number. All right. We're on our desktop here, and our first app is called Flip. For those of you that can kind of see the resemblance there, it's not Flipe, it's Flip. But as the website promises, you can call and text with multiple numbers from your existing device. It works with Android and Apple devices, and Flip is pretty versatile. Allows you to pick your area code, lets you decide when people can access you, and it gives you a 7-day free trial. But you can have convenient communication because you basically just open up the Flip app whenever you want to enjoy phone calls. You can get a local number, and you can also add multiple numbers depending on what you want that number to be. So for example, with Flip, you could add up different numbers for all of your two-step verification accounts. Maybe you have a phone number for your bank or a phone number for whatever financial service you're using, like a credit card or investment account. So that way, when that phone number shows up with a test, you'll know that that number is tied to that account, and you know that that account is in danger. The good thing about Flip is it doesn't put your smartphone number at risk. So that way, if your account information is breached, it will be breached with a temporary number as opposed to a cell phone number, which we all know is very hard to change. Once it's tied to you, then it's tied to you. But if it's tied to a temporary number, then it's not so hard to get past that. Next on our list is Burner. Now, Burner works pretty much the same way as Flip. It allows you to set up a second phone number for your smart device. It protects your real number, so that way, when you make calls and receive them, your number stays safe. And the same thing happens with Flip. So you can use Flip app and Burner as well to make outgoing calls. So if you're calling someone and you don't want them to have your personal cell phone number, the Burner number and the Flip number that you've chosen will show up instead. That way it keeps your number private. So if you're calling someone and you don't want them to have your number, then you can use Flip or even Burner. But here's some examples of what you could use your Burner number for, or even Flip. So you can use it for dating, for rentals, car dealers, Airbnb, ghost, ghosting dudes. I love that. Volunteering, you name it. Like I said, you can set it up for two-step authentication as well. So that's the whole purpose of these numbers, is that you want to use them in situations where you don't want to give out your private number. What's next on our list? Next on our list, if we can switch screens here, is Hushed. Shh. Be very, very quiet. Another app that's available for Apple and Android devices that allows you to use private numbers. This one allows end-to-end encrypted messaging, unlimited phone numbers, and disposable phone numbers, and texting. And that's one of the things that I forgot to mention about Flipped and oh goodness, it forgot about the other one, Burner. Yeah, Flipped and Burner also allow free texting, so you can send SMS messages through all of these apps without anyone knowing your personal number. And finally on our list is my favorite because it's free, is Google Voice. Google Voice, if you've got a Google account, Google Voice will work for you. It offers a free phone number. It gives you voicemail option so that when people call, they give you voicemail. And you can also text through Google Voice. It's probably the originator of the burner phone numbers, but Google Voice still is a robust website and app that allows you to set up a second phone number for your smartphone. So that way, if you want to keep your smartphone private or you want to set up a different number for your business, then you can use Google Voice and keep your number safe. So if you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you to see if you have questions about getting a second number, or if you would like to leave comments on tech tips that you would like me to cover in future videos. And always, speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is full of tech tips and tricks and cybersecurity alerts that are designed to help you get more from your digital life, as well as all of our social media channels. So check us out on social media and on YouTube to find tips that are going to help you enjoy your digital life. So folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, like I'm doing. And thanks for watching.